Hey guys, I'm really excited to show you what we're going to be building today, and that is going to be this toy bin organizer. It's great for your garage or anywhere that you have objects that roll around. My garage has lots of toys and balls, and I just got sick of it, so I decided to build this and give it a really nice modern look. This video is actually sponsored by Varathane and Gator Finishing. I'm really thankful for that, so thank you. If you want to check out their products, take a look at the description below. It helps support this channel. All right, well, let's get started and let me show you how we're gonna build this and apply all the finishings. This project is super simple because we're gonna be using a already pre-glued project board that you can pick up at your local hardware store. All you need to do then is cut your squares out for your box and drill your pocket holes. The first step is to apply glue to the edge of your board. Then you're gonna use a clamp to hold the two boards together. Next, you're going to screw everything in. Here's a fun little 15-second video montage. To make this toy bin stand out, we're going to add a really nice bevel to the bottom and top. Before we apply any stain or paint, we need to sand everything really well. For this project, I'm using Gator finishing pads for my orbital sander. Now, I've used a lot of sanding paper before for my orbital sander, but I have never used anything quite like this. The grip that it has on that sanding disc is phenomenal. It truly lives up to its name, Gator, because it's not gonna let go. I recommend using Gator's Micro Zip sanding block to sand the inside edges and corners of your bin. If you have larger areas you need to sand, you can use Gator's Handy Block. This is really great because it can accept all different types of grit sandpaper that Gator makes. It's really comfortable to use and it helps prevent fatigue. The stain I'm going to be using for this project is Varathane Golden Oak. Now, I love Varathane stain. I've been using it for a long time, and I love how this stuff dries really quickly and that it doesn't bleed and have other issues that other competitor stains have. If you guys have been watching my channel for a long time, you guys know that I love Varathane stain, and I use it for all of my woodworking projects. I'm using Varathane's polyurethane satin finish to protect this toy bin. I recommend applying at least 2 or 3 coats to your project. To add a little bit more uniqueness to this toy bin, I decided to mask off the stain and then spray paint some areas white. This gave the box a little bit more modern look, and I just love how it turned out. Let me know what you think. Do you like the color? Do you like this design? Or would you have done something different? Let me know in the comments below. The last step in this build is to add the casters. Now, these are heavy duty casters because I know this thing is going to get wheeled all over my garage, and I want them to be able to take quite a bit of use and abuse. The bin is done, and now it's time to fill it up with all the sporting balls. If you have any questions about this build, please post in the comments below, and as always, subscribe to catch the next project.